Okay, last one. Jolo Angelo. What's this one?
Cow.
A cow.
Cow.
Unsa may kanon sa cow? What does the cow eat?
Grass.
Very good. So, what does the cow sleep?
Sleep.
Unsa man eh?
Bye.
Barn.
Barn.
A house. House a cow.
House. Cow.
Oh. What's the sound of the cow?
Moo.
Moo. What does the cow say?
Say.
Unsa man? What's the sound of the cow?
Moo.
Very good. A baby cow. Unsa man na?
Baby cow.
Oh. What is the baby cow called?
Oh.
A
Ah.
calf.
Cow.
Very good. Who is the cow's best friend? Kinsa man ni?
Kuya.
Far?
Far.
Unsa man na?
Ito mo na far. Alikani. Like
Far.
far.
Farm.
Farm.
Unsa man to?
Unsa to yung farm?
Far.
Farm. Men.
Ha?
Men.
Far.
Fireman.
Farmer.
Farmer.
Oh, what's this one again?
Farmer.
Very good. Ingon na kada na gani ha. Oh, how about this one? What's this one, Jolo Angelo?
Dog.
Dog. What does the dog eat?
Gani. Di mo na ma-eat.
Dog.
Dog.
Food.
Food. Di mo na ma-eat siya.
So, what's the name of this one?
House.
Where does the dog sleep?
Here.
In the
The
dog.
dog.
Somni.
House.
Very good. What's the sound of the dog? What does the dog say?
Ah! Oh! Oh!
Woof.
Woof.
Woof, woof.
Woof.
So, what are the baby dogs called?
Gold.
Baby dog.
Baby dog.
Unsa man ni? Pa.
Pa?
Unsa to? Baby dog.
Baby dog.
Small dog ba?
Ah! Small dog.
Mm.
Big dog.
Oh. Unsay name sa baby nga dog? Pa.
Puppies.
Very good. How about this one? What's this one? Who is the dog's best friend? The orange color.
Kani.
What's this one?
Fox.
Very good.
Manano?
Ano pa last? What's this one?
Chicken boy.
Hmm?
Rooster.
Rooster. Very good. What does the